Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In tutorials, we show you how to make 3D bar chart in Google Sheets step by step. Now we can see here already created a 3D bar chart listed. Now you can see here name, category, amount, bundle or total. Now I am select the all data, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the insert menu and click the chart option to make a chart. Now I'm click the chart type drop down menu and find and select the bar chart. Now I am select the bar chart. Now you want to make the chart 3D. Here not the chart 3D. Go to the customize option and here we can see many option. Now I'm enable the chart style and we can see here the box on 3D. Enable the box. Now we can see we make the chart 3D very easily. You can customize another thing here like grid lines and tricks or vertical axis. You can change the axis position or legend, etc. Now we can see how to we make the chart easily. Thanks for this video.